We're now at our true Birmingham property, and I'm going to show you what our true Studio Plus looks like. So come on in. So when you come into the room space, you will notice straight away how big and spacious it is. So these rooms are on average 4.5 square metres bigger than our normal true studios, which means they're great for dual occupancy, which we charge at no extra cost. When you come into your room space, you will see to the side that you have hooks for your bags or coats to hang up on, and a radiator that will keep your room nice and warm in the winter. You can control the heat of this radiator as well, just down here, so you can make your room as hot or as cold as you would like it to be. Moving on, you then get a full length mirror, so good to make sure you look good before you leave to university in the morning. And you've got plug sockets to the side, so really good for your hair dryers or hair straighteners and things like that. And then we move on into the main room space. So as you can see, it is absolutely huge. They're so nice and spacious. Over here you can see you've got a full desk that runs all the way to the back. Here you've obviously got a very comfortable desk chair, really good for when you're doing your late night studying. You have a pin board that runs all the way as well. Shelves to the top, great for your textbooks or your folders and stuff like that. And you also get a waste paper bin down there. Underneath the desk here, you also have all your charging ports as well for your laptops and things like that. Over here you will get to your smart screen, flat screen TV. This is really, really good. On this you can browse all the Freeview channels, so BBC, ITV and more. Plus it's a smart TV, so that means that you've got Netflix, YouTube, you name it, you can browse the web, there's loads on there. Plus, we have our own True TV channel. So what that means is you can have a look to see what events we've got coming on, the latest guidelines for COVID or anything like that. Hop on that and there's loads for you to see. You've got storage to the side. Again, great for you to store your belongings. You've got a large chest of drawer here and even more storage there for your clothes. And then to this side, you've got plug sockets with USB ports, and you have lights as well to the room space, which can provide your room with extra lights, which is absolutely lovely. Then we turn around and we get to your full-size double bed. This bed's really good because it's an Ottoman bed, and what that simply means is pull on this tag and it will open. Great for you to put your suitcases or big boxes out of your way. You also can see that you have a lovely window here. These windows all open, which means that you can open them and get some fresh air into your room. And of course, you've got a large blackout curtain there as well for if you want to have a good night's sleep. Coming around here to the side of your bed, you can see that you've got some shelving. Really good for you to charge your phone or put your books and stuff like that in before you go to sleep at night. And then the last part of the room space before I show you your ensuite bathroom is your kitchenette. So yes, our True Studio Plus is a kitchenette. It comes with a kitchen within your own room, so it means you don't have to share anything. Here you have a true 2-ring electric hob, really good for you to cook your meat. Down here you have a oven, microwave and grill. Under here you've got a other drawer where you can put your cutlery or anything like that. You've got a really nice countertop space with a sink and an input drainer. Up here you've got even more storage space. Down here you've got an integrated fridge and a freezer. And last but not least, you have a cupboard with a kitchen waste bin. And then moving around to this space, I'm going to just show you your wardrobe. So this is where you can hang your clothes and store some of your clothes that you've not put in your drawers down there. You've got a really large shelf to the top, a rail in the middle which we have provided some hangers for, and then some more shelves to the bottom. And then the last part of this room I'm going to show you is your ensuite bathroom. So these bathrooms are absolutely amazing. They're fully tiled throughout and they come with a fully light up mirror. Really, really good to make sure you're looking good before you leave in the morning. You've got a sink with under sink storage. You have a countertop space here, your toilet with obviously your integrated flush. On the other side you have a towel rail here and some towel hooks to the back, and of course your large walk-in waterfall shower with a waterfall shower and a side shower to the side.